Well, what brought me to Dr. Reddy's office was I had impacted wisdom teeth that I needed to take out, and that was going to be one of my first major surgeries. Having surgery in general is very nerve-wracking, and so when you have those fears around what is it like when I go under, what is it like when I come back out, what's the healing process, how do I adjust to eating, and those are kind of the things that you worry about. And I had a short time frame when I got my procedure done. I only had 5 days at home until I was going back to school. So my first impression of the office was warm, inviting. The staff was very friendly. It almost eased a lot of my nerves, being treated more as a friend than as an outsider coming in type thing. So they made it a safe spot or a safe place for me going into the surgery. My initial impression of Dr. Reddy was that he was the expert. He had everything under control. I felt like whatever was going to be done, I could trust him to do it right. And that sense of security was phenomenal going into the surgery, and I think that made a world's difference of my experience here and feeling that I didn't have to have those high intense nerves of being scared of surgery or being scared of the recovery. But my initial thoughts were great. So the night post-surgery, I received a call from Dr. Reddy, and honestly that was a surprise in itself because I wasn't expecting a personal phone call from the surgeon that did my surgery early that day. I think that in itself makes it more personable and you feel really cared for. My overall experience post-surgery, I got more out of just the successful surgery. It was a lasting mentorship that I'm so grateful for. I left feeling that I could go to Dr. Reddy for anything, that he was going to be someone that I could rely on for advice and someone that I can look up to. So it was more than just coming in, you're a patient, and you kind of leave. I am very grateful that in a short amount of time I developed that, and it's now been 2 years, and I'm happy that I get to still come back and say hi, and that's amazing. You don't get that a lot of places. With the success that I've had here and with the practice, I would definitely recommend for anyone that's my family, my friends, my coworkers. I definitely think highly and speak highly of Dr. Reddy and the team.